So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video we have here this one question to answer on the topic metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will just be about ores. So in short, stay till the end of this video. It won't really take you that long. So if you feel you want to answer this question before we provide the answer, you can go ahead and pause this video and try to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, let's go ahead and start with the question here. It says most metals exist in nature as A, crusts, B, ores, C, alloys, D, feldspar. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's ores. So most metals exist in nature as ores. So guys, ores are usually concentrated and changed to oxides before extraction. So this ores is actually the form that most metals exist in. So they are usually concentrated and changed to oxides before extraction. So that's it for that question. So this will be, well, just end this video guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.